Today, the Hooponopono prayer is dedicated for a loved one who is having any health issues. So, all you have to do is I will say few sentences of Hooponopono prayer. Anyone in your family, your known or unknown people you want to heal, just think about them and repeat the sentences with me. And that will help that person, not only that person, but also you, because with Ho'oponopono, everything is our own responsibility. So, whatever you are experiencing is your responsibility. So, let's do it. Everyone, close your eyes. Okay. So I will not be closing my eyes, otherwise it will look very weird on YouTube. Okay. So close your eyes, take a deep breath, breathe in with me, breathe in and breathe out. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Relax completely. Okay. And repeat with me. I take 100% responsibility for this health issue of my loved one. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. You can also fold your hands, or you can keep right hand on your heart and take your name, everyone. I'll say my name, dear Beshu. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now we'll repeat this 2 more times. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now take the person's name who is not healthy right now and repeat that name and repeat, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry, dear, for all the issues and pain that you're suffering right now. Please forgive me that I'm not able to help you and feeling helpless. Thank you for being in my life. I love you for everything that you have done for me. I'm sorry for all the sufferings that you are experiencing. Please forgive me for not being able to take care of you the way I want right now. Please forgive me. Thank you for healing so fast and recovering so speedily. I love you for your perfect health. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Your health. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. All the feelings of sadness, worry, and anxiety that I'm feeling right now, I take 100% responsibility for cleaning those feelings. I'm sorry for all this worry, which is not helping you, but making you more uncomfortable. Please forgive me for carrying this anxiety and stress within me, which is impacting you. I am now ready and willing to delete all these uncomfortable feelings from within my body, which might trigger uneasiness within you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear helplessness, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear sadness, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear pain and anxiety, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now take your name once again, everyone, and say my name, dear Beshu. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. 2 more times. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And take a deep breath, everyone. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax completely. Don't open your eyes. Just keep your eyes closed for 1 minute and imagine the person जिसके लिए अभी आपने प्रे किया है is completely healthy, fine, fully recovered, and is spending time with you the way they used to. जैसे वो आपके साथ जो भी चीज़ें करते थे, जो भी जैसे भी टाइम स्पेंड करते थे, बहुत ही full energy के साथ में they are spending time with you again. So keep your eyes closed and imagine them playing with you, chatting with you. You all are sitting, your full family is sitting with them and you all are laughing. आप लोग कुछ बात कर रहे हो, खुश हो रहे हो, एंजॉय कर रहे हो, साथ में खाना खा रहे हो, and whatever you can do in this imagination, do it. And imagine the person is perfectly healthy, perfectly all right, and you are enjoying the best time of your life with that person. Smile and rub your hands together, rub faster. Put it all over your face, your eyes, and if you're feeling any weird sensations anywhere, you can put your hands there as well. And slowly open your eyes and take one more deep breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax completely.